Samsung's top smartphones are some of the best looking on the market, with a distinct style that is easily identifiable. Typically, their Galaxy S Ultra phones have a more square shape with sharp corners, whereas regular Galaxy S phones have rounded corners, but the Galaxy S25 Ultra may change that trend. According to Tipster Ice Universe, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will not have sharp corners, unlike the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which has corners that can be uncomfortable and dig into your hands if you don't use a case. If this is true, Samsung is making their phones more comfortable to hold, but it's unclear whether the entire corner will be curved or just the edges will be more rounded. In any case, it seems that Samsung is working to resolve the difficulties with the Galaxy S24 Ultra and S25 Ultra. The new phone will be introduced early next year, and we will most likely hear more about its design before the end of this year. According to a shocking claim from Korea, Samsung may employ MediaTek Dimensity chips in the Galaxy S25 phones, which will be released in January. This suggests that certain Galaxy S25 phones might use MediaTek Dimensity CPUs, potentially the Dimensity 9400, in addition to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 and Samsung's own Exynos 2500. If this occurs, the next Galaxy S25 phones may include 3 separate CPU types in various countries. However, this is still uncertain. The report simply says that Samsung may do this, not that it has taken a definitive choice. The reason for this move is due to Qualcomm's predicted price hike for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 and the poor production success rate of the Exynos 2500. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is expected to cost between $190 and $200, while the 8 Gen 4 might cost up to $260 per unit. The Exynos 2500 presently has a production success rate of around 40%, while 60% is required for mass production. Samsung hopes to address this by August if Exynos production rates remain low, and given how pricey Qualcomm's next chip will be, it may make sense for Samsung to incorporate MediaTek in the mix. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.